Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. Have you ever wondered how apps like WhatsApp, YouTube or Instagram actually work? Who tells the computer what to do? In this video, we are going to understand programming in a very simple way. Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer so that it can perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in a language that the computer can understand, called a programming language. Some popular programming languages include Python, Java, and C++. Now let's understand this step by step. A computer cannot think on its own, it only follows instructions. So if you want a computer to do something, like open an app, calculate a number, or display a message, you must tell it exactly what to do. This set of instructions is called a program, and the process of writing these instructions is called programming. Let's take a simple example. If you want a computer to add two numbers, you need to write a program that tells it, take input, add the numbers, show the result. Without programming, the computer would not know what to do. Now let's understand this with a real-world analogy. Think of programming like giving instructions to a robot. If you tell a robot, move forward, pick up an object, turn left, it will follow those instructions exactly. Similarly, a computer follows the instructions written in a program. Now here's something important. Computers understand only binary language, which is made of zeros and ones. Programming languages help us write instructions in a human-readable way, which are then converted into machine language. There are different types of programming languages. Low-level languages, close to machine language. High-level languages, easy for humans to read and write. Most beginners start with high-level languages like Python because they are simple and easy to understand. Now let's talk about why programming is important. Programming is used to build websites, create mobile apps, develop games, work with artificial intelligence, automate tasks. Almost everything in technology today is built using programming. So learning programming opens the door to many opportunities. To summarize, programming is the process of writing instructions for a computer to perform tasks using programming languages. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your journey into technology.